we kind of ended the last tutorial, not the one on how to restart your application, but the prior tutorial on talking about models, and I even put in a a minus m um, generator flag in my command. I didn't actually press enter. I want to go into more detail, and this is something I even have to come back to and remember. Okay, is it show or create or store or edit? There are these 7 RESTful actions, and here they are listed out for you. I'll leave this to you to review, but we'll in this tutorial kind of focus on this index a lot and the show. So index is listing all the instances of a given model, and then the show is listing a very specific instance. And so in your URL, your URL for if you wanted to list all your users would just be /users. If you wanted to list a particular user, you would do /users/ and then like the user ID, for example, would be like 1234. You can also use, oftentimes you'll see people use slugs, and so that would be like the username um, or a slugified version of the username. I'm just gonna stick with IDs because not every model will necessarily have that. Um, so for Flask commands, just out of the box, you will always be using ID numbers because the models will all have ID numbers. This I put here really just as a reference for people. You can find it here under the commands, RESTful actions. Um, we'll stop the video here just to not make things super long. And in the next video, we'll use these 2 commands index, or these 2 actions, index and show.